Ever wondered how challenging it could be to afford quality tutoring? Picture this: a bright, eager student named Sam. Sam is full of potential and has a thirst for knowledge that is unmatched, but unfortunately, his family struggles to afford the additional tutoring he needs to excel. This is a story all too familiar for many parents and students. But imagine a world where Sam, despite his financial constraints, can access the quality tutoring he so desperately needs. This is now possible thanks to the generosity of Friends of the Caribbean and EMS Tutoring. Beginning February 1st, 2024, a new grant program is being rolled out for our Milton Keynes community. This grant will drastically cut the cost of tutoring for many families, making quality online tutoring more within reach than ever before. With the generous support of our donors, we can now offer grants to students attending our online tutoring sessions, studying English, maths, science, 11+ preparation, covering Key Stage 2, 3, GCSE and A-Level. This grant isn't just about making tutoring affordable, it's about tearing down barriers and unlocking a universe of opportunities. Because here's the truth: every child, every student deserves the chance to fully realize their potential. And this grant is a giant leap towards that aim. So if you know someone like Sam, or if you yourself could benefit from this online tutoring assistance, reach out. The team at Friends of the Caribbean and EMS Tutoring are here to help, and would be overjoyed to see more students seize this amazing opportunity. Their commitment to empowering students and supporting families in our community is unwavering. The grants are just one way they're making a difference. So why wait? Visit the EMS website now to find out more and apply for the grant. It's time to make education accessible and enriching for every student. Thank you for joining us today, and remember to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Together we can make a difference.